Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and if you're at the Huck's World, and SzaZs is back in the building again. We want to thank him for the free donations. Thank you, my friend. We do appreciate it. Now, the name of this watch face is called Alien Analog. Definitely a unique look. It looks just as nice in the always on mode, but this one here is definitely different. Now, what you see blinking is going to be your hour hand. This is going to be your minute hand. Of course, you can see the second hand. You will get the day of the week. You will get your date. You will also get your digital time down at the bottom, so you do get the best of both worlds. And if I tap right here, I can bring up my calendar. And if I tap right here, nope, not right there, right here, I can get my alarm that I could set. Not a bad look at all. If I double tap right here, I could change the color of the watch face theme, and I thought that was pretty cool. You could cycle through whichever one you want to set. And I can also double tap in the middle, and it's going to change the theme a little bit more. I like this. This is nice. So you got two areas where you can customize the theme of the watch face, which is nice. All right, you all, let's check out watch face number 2, which is just as unique. Watch face number 2, this one is called Alien Digital. I think I like this one a little bit better than number 1, you all. This one is nice. Now, in always on mode, you're gonna pretty much get the same look as you did with number 1. It's gonna look nice. Now, once the watch face is on, what you're gonna get right is get your heart rate information, you get your steps up at the top, get your date down here, get your heart rate, get your digital time, you get the month, you get the day of the week. You pretty much get everything in this watch face, right? So if I double tap right here, I could change the color theme of the watch face, which I thought was nice, right? And then if you double tap right here, you should be able to change the color theme right there as well. So it gives you options. I thought this was pretty nice. You can customize the color however you see fit. Not bad at all, people. What do you think? All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. Make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.